I bet. So we executed this trade on YM. Again, another earlier trade today. We'll see how it goes. I will explain in the market breakdown why I ended up taking it. I don't know how I feel about it just yet. Might just close out and wait a little longer, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, this is the trade I took on YM. Took some buys. Let's see how it goes. This has been one of the worst trades I've ever taken, bro. I've been in this trade just waiting. We went up 50 ticks, came down, we went up 60, came down, we went up 50, came down, went in the drawdown. Now we're just chilling here, bro. I'm about to just take profits at this high, 69 ticks. It's just been a up and down trade, and NQ and ES gave a nice move, decent move up off of this candle, 945 candle. YM's just not doing its thing anymore, bro. I'm gonna have to switch to those pairs fully, bro, because YM has just not been moving correctly. Yeah, just been waiting. We'll see what happens, I guess. Another day, another loss, man. Let's just get straight to it, man. Market breakdown. What do we have? We'll go to the YM charts a little bit cleaner. I had it marked up. Same thing. Previous week high, previous week low, previous day high, previous day low. Just simple shit that I mark out as liquidity points. I came into the day bullish because we had this fair value gap that got formed Thursday, Friday, Monday. Price had this previous day low, tapped into it. If you look, we have a 4-hour fair value gap with the range high of the previous week high. Ended up sweeping it out here, right here, during London session, and then we ended up coming right back up off of it, sweeping that low. So I was anticipating buys today. This is just a forward test right here, this purple one, but this blue one was my original entry on YM. It was about 50 for 100. It was just like this. That was my original entry. Go up one because it was at 36, I think. Yeah, 326. That was the original entry. I took it on MYM. So here's what happened. Right, same entry, 326. I scaled in for a total of 18 micros. And I moved my stops below this low right here because I thought we were going to hold and come up because we had this 3 candle move up. So I was anticipating that we weren't going to come back down below this low. What ended up happening is price ended up coming to sweep out the 930 low, and then we came up and tapped into the 930 high. So TP ended up getting hit on this trade afterwards, but we just got liquidated before. We got taken out at, around 11:15 we got taken out. Dude, I've been so emotional trading lately. Just my trades, I feel like I've been taking good trades. I just haven't been winning, you know? So I'm kind of in that mental of like, I need to just figure it out. The accounts are still active. Yeah, so here we lost 331.20 today. We have $1,290 left for drawdown on my 2 new accounts, and then we have $712 on the accounts that I've been trading for over 30, 40 days. So it is what it is. We're just going to keep the same risk, keep the same mindset, and show up and just do the same thing. I wanted to take this setup right here as a forward test just because of the fact that we swept out. Let me close eyes. We swept out this candle's high, swept out this candle's high. So now I'm anticipating that we come down to this candle's low. I think that was a 4-hour sweep as well, right? Yeah, swept out this 4-hour high, and we got a CISD here on the 15. So it would have been a clean setup. As you can see, I took it off of this. I don't want to take a setup. I would have to drop half my risk, but it's not a part of my plan to take another setup today, so I'm not going to do it. Maybe through back testing I can figure out if I can take 2 setups after losing, but it is what it is. We lost today. Would have been a win if I would have had a wider stop, but that just wasn't the point today. Today was just straight flow. Price was buying up. It is what it is, man. We just lost. So for the week we are down Yeah, for the week we're down 636 for the week. It's only Tuesday. So, this literally one good trading day, I'll be right back where I was at the beginning of the week. We can win 3 days in a row and we'll be well above where we were at the beginning of the week. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. I have faith that I can win 3 trades in a row. This ain't nothing. I've been here before. Let's look at my journal. Yeah, dude, this just been my trade. I gotta figure out these days that I lose. I need to figure out a I don't know. I need to figure something out. I need to like my win rate went from like a 60% win rate to a 35% win rate. So I need to figure out something. Something within my strategy. Maybe 1 to 2 isn't something that I should be going for. Maybe like a 1 to 1.5. We gotta test that out. 1 to 1.5. That's it. I just gotta go back and look at the data of my trades and figure that out. There's really nothing else I could do. I just got to go over the data. I have all my trades journaled, screenshotted. So I have to go back, me as a person, I have to go back and look at my data and see what is my ideal R to R. Because if I have a 1 to 5, 1 to 1.5 RR, and I'm winning 80% of the time off of that, I don't need to be going for a 1 to 2. Just go for my little 1 to 1.5. And then some days I can catch my little 1 to 2. My stops, trail it. And then we catch our bigger trades. But on these prop firms, you can't trade like that. You have to follow your rules. So yeah, that's basically it for the trading day today. Got cooked. I did let it bother me a little bit too much. But it is what it is, bro. There's literally nothing I could do but just follow the process, bro. No matter how hard this shit gets, I'm going to continue showing up. Continue sticking to my routine. And keeping God first, bro. All glory to God, man. If you guys watch this video, I appreciate you guys. It is what it is, bro. We move on. I can't let that shit bother me, man. Today it just bothered me because as a trader, you sit there and you just think like, is this shit for me? This shit's for me, bro. There's no doubt in my mind. This shit is for me. A year from now, 1.5 years from now, I'm going to look back and be like, bro, you were tripping? I know I am, bro. But right now it's just the hard part. So I'll catch you guys on the flip side, bro. I appreciate you guys if you watched this whole video, or if you even watched a little bit of the video, you just skipped to the end and you caught me now, man. God bless you guys, bro. And yeah, I appreciate you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's work. Peace.